Good morning, students. We have already done some letters yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you how to write letters. From next week, we are going to do that task where you will write and I'll allow you to share your screens so that you can show me what you have written. Very quickly, I had done some letters where I had ordered certain things. If you remember, and then we had also asked about how to cancel orders or give them a notice, reminder that we are going to cancel. Placed an order, the person who has received an order also needs to give an acknowledgement that yes, we have received your order and we will dispatch the order or deliver the order on time. This is one kind of a letter which is left. Second letter which is left for your syllabus is making letters inquiry. Supposing you want to make inquiry of something, you've seen an advertisement in the newspaper about classes which teach French. So you want to know. So all these things, you need to find out how many students in a batch or whatever queries you have. So these kind of letters are known as letters of inquiry. They're known as letters of inquiry. I'll be taking up different kinds of letters with you today again, children. You have to just see, discuss with me and be ready for the small questions that I'll be asking you. Let's start now. See the different kind of letters that I'll be taking up with you today. See over here, Spark Publishers Noida, 26th April 2018. Is coming later. Then this is not needed. Sadar Bazaar here is not needed, children. Simply you can take it as what? You can take it as Meerut. You don't need this part again. Okay, children? You don't need to have this. I have earlier also told you that we don't need to write the address. Just finish it in 2 lines. And Meerut should have a pin code. Meerut should have a pin code also. This is what we need to be careful about. No need to write the address. Simply write the pin code. Now what we are going to do is, listen very carefully. I can find some mistake in the address which is written over here. And I want you to find out. Utkarsh Yadav, good morning.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Beta, what is publishers Noida? What is wrong in that? Intentionally, there are some mistakes in what I posted today. You need to find out the mistakes. Utkarsh, tell us, beta, what is wrong?
Ma'am, after Noida, the pin code will come.
After Noida, the pin code will come. Excellent. He is very right. He says after Noida, the pin code will come. Too good. Abhinav, good morning. Let us see if
Good
Abhinav
morning.
has joined us. Good morning, dear. Abhinav, tell me, this address, Ideal Book Depot, Sadar Bazaar, Meerut, there is something wrong over here also. What is wrong?
And the pin code after Meerut.
Yes, the pin code after Meerut should be there. Excellent, Abhinav. Very good. He has given the correct answer. So we should have a pin code. Akash. Akash, good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Something else is wrong. Of course, Meerut should have a pin code. Apart from that, also, there is something which is wrong. What is wrong, Akash, in this address?
Ma'am, we don't have to write the full address.
We don't have to write the full address. Excellent. Too good, Akash. Well done. That means you people are attentive at least in the class. Very good. Let's move on. We have one hand raised. That is Akshat Gupta. Akshat, you want to say something? Let's
Ma'am, I
ask.
want to ask that, ma'am, M/S, what is that?
MS means Messrs. It's the short form of Messrs. Messrs means it's the name of a company, registered company. When you
Okay.
register a company, it is called Messrs. Messrs. Sharma and Sons, Messrs. Gupta and Sons. Messrs means it's a registered company. But we don't
Okay.
write pura Messrs. In short, we write it as capital M/S. So this shows that
Okay.
it's a registered company. Okay, dear? This is a registered. Let's move on. Uh, Devansh also wants to ask something. Yes, Devansh, what do you want to ask?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Ask.
Ma'am, I want to ask that for which we are asking any order we are placing
नहीं बच्चे
or
अभी पढ़ेंगे अभी तो I'll tell you कि what is the letter about. In this letter जानबूझ के I have done some mistakes so that you people can discuss. I'll tell you what we are going to do this in the letter. As of now, just find the mistakes in the uh, co- pattern, address and all. That is what I'm doing. Okay, let's move further. We have date written correctly. Let us have Ananya with us. Ananya, good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Ananya, is the date written properly?
Yes, ma'am.
There is another way of writing date. How will you write
Yes,
that?
ma'am. Ma'am, we can
Tell
write
me.
April 26, comma 2018.
Very good. April 26, comma 2020 or simply 20XX. Excellent beta. Too good. Very good. Very good all. Let's move on to the subject now. Subject is availability of Spark 11. Basically, Spark 11 here is a book. You had ordered for a book. The name of the book is Spark 11. And this order was given to Ideal Book Depot. Now let us see what the Ideal Book people are replying. Sir, we are thankful to you for your inquiry about the availability of the English Spark 11. We are pleased to inform you that the book, that is Stepping Stones and Literature Venture Spark English, are ready for the market. So first paragraph, you will tell them that whatever you have ordered is ready. We have it with us. Supposing you had ordered some books. So the person is replying back to you. You had ordered the books from Ideal Book Depot and they are replying back to you. They're telling you that yes, the books are ready. Second paragraph says the order can be placed either online or by phone. Order will be delivered within 2 days of receipt of 40% advance and the mode of payment will be online or in the form of a draft. So in the second paragraph, you will tell them how to place their order. An inquiry was done about availability of books. So the person is replying back now. In the second paragraph, he's saying you can place an order online or you can place an order by phone, first thing. Second, they're telling that within how many days the delivery would be done and how much money has to be paid in advance and what will be the mode of payment of the money. Next, give them assurance that the books are of good quality or according to the syllabus. We further wish to assure you that it is the latest edition and is strictly according to the revised syllabus of the CBSE. So here they are ensuring that this is the latest publication. Any queries regarding the book or order can be made at the telephone number is given. In the last, they're giving an offer. We offer 5% discount on full payments. See, if you give 40% advance, no discounts. But if you give complete payment together, full payment, then it is how much? 5% discount will be given. Looking forward to a favorable response. And then Mr. A.K. Gupta, he is the CEO of this catalog Spark for 2018-19. Don't write so much. Okay, you could have simply written CEO and what was the name of the book depot? Ideal Book Depot. That would have been sufficient. Children, be careful. In the first paragraph, we have to just thank that you have asked about the books and tell them that yes, it is available. Now I'm changing the topic. You people have your school has ordered for the library some R.D. Sharma books of class 11th. And you want to find out the latest publication is ready in the market or not. So you have written a letter to these people, Ideal Book Depot people, asking them that is the latest version or latest publication of R.D. Sharma available? Will you be able to provide us or not? So let's start. We'll start writing sir. And then what will be the first line? One by one, I'm going to ask now. Ansh, good morning. Ansh, good morning. I think I'll have to come to your house to wish you good morning, my child. Very smart children. Okay. Anshika, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Anshika, what will you write as the first sentence?
Ma'am,
You
in the
want to find out about R.D. Sharma class 11th availability. Speak better.
ma'am, in the first line, we'll write, first of all, we are thankful that you have inquired about the availability of R.D. Sharma. Then we'll say that, yes, it's available or not. We'll write the book of which you are inquired about, R.D. Sharma, is available for the market, and
Very
you
good.
can.
So first paragraph is this much. Thank them that they have asked you for the book. And please specify if it is R.D. Sharma, then which class beta. Okay?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
be very specific in business letters. Perfect, excellent. She's given the two sentences which should be written in the first paragraph. The first sentence is thanking them for inquiry and then informing them that yes, we do have these books ready with us. Perfectly fine. Very good, Anshika. Too good. Let's move on to the next child. Aradhya, good morning. Some audio problem with Aradhya's. Aradhya, will you be able to speak out or there's some network issue?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Aradhya, second paragraph, what is the first thing that you need to tell? In the second paragraph, I have not removed it from the screen. Yes. How to? Yes, I think there is some network problem. Okay, very good. Ariba, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Aradhya is already told that first we'll tell them how to place the order. It can be online or by phone. Children, I'm not removing this from the screen. Please see this. Later I'll remove and then I'll ask questions. What is the second thing, Ariba, we're going to ask or tell them? How to order? Already Aradhya has told. Online or by phone. What else would you mention in this? Ariba?
Yes, ma'am. We will mention that how many days will it take to deliver the order.
Okay, very good. So she's saying we are going to mention that how many days it's going to take for us to deliver the order. Too good, beta. Very good. Let's find out what is the next thing that we'll be taking up. Aryan Raj. Aryan Raj, good morning. Let's see if he's there. Yes. Your friend Aradhya is already told that we'll tell them that you can place an order online or by phone. Then your friend Ariba has also told that they'll deliver within how many days. What else can you add in the second paragraph, beta?
About how much advance will you have to do?
Excellent. How much advance you have to pay? Okay, you tell. If you are the shop owner, how much advance would you want? Add on, make us in line. Tell me how much advance?
50-60%.
50%. He's a good businessman. He does not want to take any chances. He's a very smart businessman. I entirely agree with you. So he's wanting 50% advance. Kuch bharosa nahi. Tomorrow they may say we don't want the books. So he's very clear about it. So we know that how much advance we are going to get. Very good, Aryan. Let's move on to the next child in sequence. That is Devansh. Devansh,
Yes, ma'am.
anything else we can write in this paragraph?
Ma'am, we can write also uh, that it is
Hmm.
new edition, that it is new edition, or how much discount we
Second
will get.
paragraph. Second paragraph. Second paragraph. में discount के अलावा
Okay.
और क्या लिख सकते हैं? We have told them online या phone से deliver करिए. We have told them that within how many days the delivery to be done. What is the advance pattern? एक चीज और हम बताएंगे. How will they pay you? That has to be
Ma'am,
mentioned. What is that
ma'am,
called?
ma'am, the payment should be online or by a check.
Basically, that is what they are saying. Excellent. The mode of payment. Now it all depends. You want it online, you want it cash, you want it a draft. That's entirely your choice, but very good. Is perfectly right. That what you need to do is you need to tell about the mode of the payment. Okay, moving on to Drishti. Drishti, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Okay, Drishti, what should be the last line when we are, because basically we want the order. So we want to give them an assurance. So what should I write?
Ma'am, we'll ensure them that the book is basically of the latest publication about this, like it strictly follow the CBSE guidelines.
Yes, it is the latest publication and it is strictly according to the CBSE guidelines. So now if I hide this part, okay, I'm hiding this with something else. And now we'll continue with our questions. Let's see, we are done till Drishti. This is Hitansh's turn now. Hitansh, good morning. Hitansh, are you there? Harshita Singh,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. How many paragraphs did we make in this letter, beta?
Ma'am, 3.
3 paragraphs. Can you remember any one thing which has to be mentioned in the first paragraph?
Ma'am, in the first one, we will thankful to inquire. We will thankful for them that they inquired about the books from our stores.
And one more thing we do in the first paragraph. Only 2 things have to be written in the first paragraph. One, you've already told me that we need to thank them, that at least they've inquired. So it's a business starting indication. And what is the second thing, beta?
Ma'am, that we will inform that the books is available at our stores.
Okay, repeat your sentence.
Ma'am, we are pleased to inform that the book R.D. Sharma, class 11th, is available and is ready for the market.
Okay. A little bit modification here, child. Although very good, excellent. Both the points which should be mentioned, she has mentioned, but a little clear. Which class R.D. Sharma?
Ma'am, class
Anshika
11th
also
R.D.
told,
Sharma.
yes, we specify that, and it is books. We will not give a book order. Generally, it goes in bulk, so it is books. Very good. She's given
Yes, ma'am.
exactly 2 things which should be given in the first paragraph. Excellent. She's given the perfect answer. Let's move on to the next person now. Iti. Iti Azad. Iti, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Iti, you remember what all things were there in the second paragraph?
Ma'am, the mode of payment.
Okay. The mode of payment was the first thing. What options you want to give them, beta? Supposing you are doing this business deal, then what options?
Ma'am, by online or by check.
Okay, mode of payment, online or check. She prefers these 2 options. What else in the second paragraph, bache?
And ma'am, then the advance payment, 40% or 50%.
What do you want specify?
Ma'am, 40 to 50% advance payment.
Business people never give options. They're very clear. 40 or 50.
Ma'am, 50 then.
Okay, 50. She's also a good business girl. Okay, she wants 50% discount. I mean, sorry, 50% advance. Two things that he has told us, and perfectly right, she has told us. Mode of payment, the advance payment. Anything else has to be mentioned in the second paragraph?
Ma'am, I guess only these two things.
Okay. She says only these two things. Let us see if others are satisfied with what she's saying. There are two things she's saying are enough to be mentioned here. Let's talk to Commerce Lakshita. Lakshita, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Is Iti missing out something? Or
Yes,
she's
ma'am.
right?
No, ma'am, she is missing out. Ma'am, first we will tell that how to place the order. Then we'll tell within how many days we want the delivery to be done. Then we'll tell the mode of payment and the advance payment.
Basically, she's wanting to say that how many days it would be delivered. Okay, want me, how many days we will deliver it. Good, she has got that point in her, that how many days we are going to deliver it in. That is what she's saying we'll be adding on. Excellent, Lakshita. Let's move on to Mansi. Mansi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Third paragraph, beta. What should be there in the third paragraph?
Ma'am, we will tell them that it is strictly following CBSE syllabus.
Yes, you're
And
going to give
according
them
to
an assurance. You will give them an assurance that this is the latest publication and it is latest according to the latest CBSE guidelines. Very good.
Yes,
Too
ma'am.
good. Excellent. Very good. Prabha, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are Prabhu, I got to know you are very good at art and artistic skills. Right?
Thank you, ma'am. But how you get to know?
Yesterday, Gaurav Dev Sharma sir showed me some artistic skills of yours on the screen when he was teaching.
Not, ma'am. That, ma'am, I have assured, I have taught to Gaurav sir, but that was not me, ma'am. Somebody else.
That is what I told him. I told him Prabhav is a biology student, and as far
Yes,
as I
ma'am.
know, all my biology students are too good. They're very sincere. Yesterday we had a meeting in the school. Sir showed me the mobile with all those art and craft done on the screen. It was,
Yes,
though
I
it was a
all.
very beautiful effort, but why did you join the commerce class?
Ma'am, I am saying I was not there. I was attending all my classes, and at that time, my biology class is also going on, and I am in your class only. I was not there. Somebody else has entered with my name.
Oh, so you are the victim.
Yes, ma'am.
Poor child.
Since
He's the
morning,
victim.
since
You
morning
are
I
the
was
victim.
taking my classes, ma'am.
I was also wondering. I told Gaurav sir yesterday. I said it is
And
not
ma'am, why should
practical.
I attend the commerce class, ma'am? I'm of biology student.
I thought you got one day bored of my class biology. So chalo, I try karte hain. Let's
No,
have
ma'am.
some fun. Let's go to
I have
commerce
not tried.
PhD class. PhD
No, ma'am, I
classes
have
are
not tried.
fun compared to biology classes, especially the bio chapter that I'm taking these days is not at all interesting. So I thought
No, ma'am, I have
maybe
not
you
tried.
tried it. I know, Prabha. I told Gaurav sir that it is not possible. My class 11 children cannot do this. They're too good. Somebody must have come from outside by your name.
Ma'am,
This is
I can't
something very
understand
difficult.
ma'am, how Gaurav sir admit me, ma'am, but I am not a commerce student. How could he admit me?
Beta, he must have got a bit confused because he's taking so many classes now. He also takes GK in some junior
Maybe.
classes.
Yes.
Though I told him yesterday that class 11, nobody can do it. I know class 11 children are very good. Prabha,
This
very
is
quickly,
going. Yes, ma'am.
let's revise very quickly. How many paragraphs did we have, Prabha?
3.
3. Very quickly, first paragraph had what?
Ma'am, to thankful and to tell for which class we want the books, and to tell the amount of books and that to tell them these books are available in our market.
Very good. Priya Gangwar, are you ready? Priya, second paragraph. Quickly. Never mind. Let's have the next child here ready. Pragya,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell the second paragraph, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the second paragraph, we'll tell him that all the books are available and the mode of payment we'll tell them that we want online or by check, and then we'll tell the how much advance payment we want.
Very good. Excellent. She's absolutely right. Ritul,
Yes, ma'am.
good morning, Bache. Now you wind up,
Good morning,
conclude
ma'am.
third paragraph. Please conclude.
Ma'am, in next paragraph, we'll tell about the discount. If he'll do full payment, then 40% discount will be given, and he can give 40%, or he can give 40% payment extra, but no discount will be available on that. And after that, we'll tell the books are of latest version and are according to the CBSE guidelines.
Very good. They are the latest publications. Very good. She's given exactly what has to be done. Last time, Sakshi is there. Sakshi, good morning. Let's see.
Good morning,
Sakshi,
ma'am.
are you? Beta, wind up quickly. The entire thing you speak. It's your turn now. First paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, what all things have to be put in. Quickly, please start. Everybody listen carefully. If I'm satisfied, we'll move on to the next one. Start, Sakshi.
Ma'am, in the first paragraph, we first
Slowly.
show our
Speak a little
gratitude.
slowly. Continue.
Ma'am, in first paragraph, we show our gratitude about inquiry and all. Then in the second paragraph, we'll talk about the discount and how the mode of order to be placed.
I hope her explanation is justified. I'm very sure she's done very nicely. One more child, please raise your hands, who can give the entire summary of all the three paragraphs. Okay, Uditi. First hand to be raised is Uditi. Yes, Uditi. The first hand to
Ma'am,
be raised, Uditi, start.
Ma'am, in the first paragraph, we would first say that we are thankful for the inquiry made. Then we would tell that the books are available and ready for sale in the market. Then in the second paragraph, we would first tell that what would be the mode of placing order, whether online or by phone. Then we would talk about the in how many days we would be able to make the delivery. Then how much percent of money we want in advance, and then the mode of payment. And then in the third paragraph, we would tell that our books are of latest publication with revised, and it is a new edition. Then we would say that our book are strictly according to the CBSE syllabus.
Excellent, two good children. So, see, this is what we call as mind mapping. Like you make mind maps in other subjects, even the writing part of English, it should be entirely be the same. As soon as you read a question, you know so many paragraphs have to be made. This is the type of letter. It will not waste your time. And once I start practicing, like I'm saying from next week, like I'm picking up children, I'll pick up any four or five. You'll be writing, you'll be sharing your screen with me, you will write, and everybody will check what you will write. Fine. So we are continuing with this part. She's spoken very nicely. Very good, Aditi. Too good. Okay. I think Devansh also wants to speak.
Yes,
Devansh? Yes. Tell us.
yes,
You want to tell us all the three paragraphs?
yes, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am,
quickly.
first we
Very good.
will, first we will add that we are thankful for your inquiry, and we will add that after that that the all the that the RD Sharma or which book or which product you are, it is here, it is available at a reasonable price. And then in second paragraph we will write that the product or the books will be reach in the market within 2 days or in a week. Then we will
Very
write the
good.
mode of payment like by check or by draft or by online. And then we will write how much discount we will get, then
Yes.
thanking you.
Very good. Excellent. So you're going to assure them also that the books are of the latest publication and according to CBSE syllabus. Excellent, Devansh. Very well spoken. Too good. Now you're moving on. There's one more child. Devansh, you've spoken. Up, remove your hand, my child. Chali, let's ask Priya Gangwar. Priya, you want to speak, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak, beta, quickly.
Ma'am, first we write like about the order.
Yes, continue.
In the second para, we write the mode of payment, and when we want the order to be delivered, we write about the advance. And in the third para, we write about the discounts, like which we want to give them. And we'll say that if any queries, you can contact on this number.
Yes.
And the fourth para, we simply say that we are looking for a favorable response, and then we'll end it.
Too good. Excellent. She's even mentioned that contact. If you have any queries, you can contact on this number. Very good, Priya. Very well spoken. Too good. Okay. Now let's start. There's somebody else. Anybody else wants to have a recap, or should I move on to the third letter? Anybody to raise hands, or should I move on to the next type? Nobody? Chali, I think you're confident enough, beta. See, this is another kind of letter. Listen here. You had placed a bulk order with Sharma Sports Ludhiana for tracksuits. On opening the package, you found there were certain defects in the goods supply. Write a letter of complaint. Children, till now, what was happening was I was discussing each and every paragraph with you, and then I was asking questions. Let us try the other way around now. Let me not explain anything to you in this letter. I'll just leave it on the screen. You will read it on your own and try to remember or recall that what all, how many paragraphs are there, what all is written, what is the format of the letter. See, I've already opened it here for you people. Your time starts now. Please read this. You get 2 to 3 minutes and then be prepared for my questions, children. This is a simple letter where you're going to complain against defective supply of goods. You had ordered some tracksuits and they are defective. Last 1 minute, I will not explain, though I'm not saying I won't do it. I will certainly do it tomorrow. But today I will not take up anything. Let me see how much, and then after this, I'll hide this letter. Then we'll start asking some questions based on this. Okay, now I'm hiding this very quickly. You would simply raise your hands to answer whatever I'm asking. How many of you are ready for the questions? Raise your hands. Let me ask. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, very good. Many children are ready. Let me see your observation power. Quickly, you have to answer. Anshika, name the school who had ordered these tracksuits. Name the school.
Ma'am,
Yes. Name the school quickly. Forgot? Devansh, name the school.
Ma'am, MLC, ma'am, but I learned the format with how to write.
Yes, I knew this. Utkarsh, name the school. Utkarsh, you know the name of the school? You've raised your hand, you're not answering, Utkarsh Yadav. Okay, never mind. Ritul,
Yes, ma'am.
name the school.
Ma'am, the GNP school.
GNP school, she says. Anshika, do you agree with her?
yes, ma'am, it's GNP School, Ludhiana. Ma'am, I was
Okay.
not able to answer
And
that
tell
time.
me one thing very quickly, what is the name of the bookstore?
Ma'am, it's bookstore. Ma'am, it
Sorry,
was
the sports. Sorry, the sports item, the sports store. Yes.
Sharma Sports.
Sharma Sports.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. It was Sharma Sports. Randomly, let me pick up. Abhinav, are you there? Abhinav Pandey.
Yes,
Abhinav
ma'am.
Pandey. What was ordered? Mansi.
Ma'am,
What
tracksuits was ordered.
What was ordered?
Tracksuits.